An accountability court in Pakistan, widely believed to be under the control of the ruling military government and its powerful intelligence agencies, has once again postponed Imran Khan and his wife's Al-Qadir University Trust case. The jail trial in the case has been ongoing inside the maximum security Adiala jail for almost a year behind closed doors. This is the second time the verdict for this case has been postponed. On December 18, the court reserved its verdict after the defense wrapped its reasoning, saying the verdict would be announced on December 23rd. Lawyers and independent observers have said the case holds no legal grounds and is another attempt to politically victimize Imran Khan and his wife. Previous cases which Imran Khan has been convicted in by lower courts in Pakistan have been thrown out by superior courts for lack of evidence. A conviction in this case would have allowed Mr. Khan to apply for bail from the High Court at the minimum. Quote, "My political rivals have weaponized institutions to crush dissent and curb democracy," unquote, Mr. Khan had said during the trial of the Al-Qadir Trust case. Last year, a United Nations Human Rights Working Group said former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has been arbitrarily imprisoned in violation of international law. He remains illegally incarcerated for 520 days. Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has said that the current military government in Pakistan is comparable to the worst of martial laws which were imposed in the country. Speaking to journalists inside the maximum security Adiala jail who were there to cover one of his jail trials, Mr. Khan said, quote, "Under martial law, the first step is always to stifle democracy, suppress an independent judiciary, and silence the free media so that no one can challenge the wrongdoings of the dictator. The free media, being critical, is silenced. The judiciary, which has the right to take actions against injustices, is stripped of its powers. Today, this so-called democracy is rife with all these fascist tactics. What kind of democracy is it where the chairman of Pakistan's largest and most popular political party cannot even be named on the media?" Unquote. Mr. Khan said politically motivated cases like the Al-Qadir University Trust case is being used to pressure him into a political compromise. Quote, "Let me be clear, I will not seek an NRO, National Reconciliation Ordinance, like Nawaz Sharif and Zardari. I will face the courts to fight my cases," unquote. Mr. Khan additionally lamented the state of the economy, saying development will only come once there is rule of law in the country. And now we turn to our special coverage of the Islamabad massacre. It has now been 41 days since the horrific attack on unarmed protesters by Pakistani security forces and the number of verified protesters missing since the Democracy March. According to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the party of Imran Khan, the number of people missing during the state-led massacre on November 26 stands at 34. PTI issued a list of 13 additional individuals today, saying they were part of the protest and have been untraceable since the night of the shooting. Quote, "Their phones have been switched off, there is no record of their arrest, and they have no contact with their families," unquote. So far, the official record of the dead stands at 13. PTI and Imran Khan continue to call for a judicial commission headed by the Supreme Court to investigate the unprecedented armed military-style attack on unarmed protesters. An international gang from India is possibly linked to 4 Indiana men arrested and charged with murder in New Jersey. According to media reports and documents from a New Jersey prosecutor's office, Kuldeep Kumar, an Indian-origin 35-year-old from New York, was taken by 3 men, Surav Kumar, Nirmal Singh, and Gurdeep Singh, and shot dead in New Jersey. The men have admitted to the murders before the police, according to Indianapolis-based Wish TV. According to the report, at the crime scene, police found evidence making a reference to the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. International reporting by Reuters said the Lawrence Bishnoi gang originated in the northern Indian province of Punjab. Its ringleader, Lawrence Bishnoi, runs the gang from a prison in India. Bishnoi has been charged in more than 80 cases. Court documents in New Jersey show the transnational organized crime department of the FBI told detectives the gang operates in India, Canada, and the United States and is known for murder for hire, narcotics trafficking, and violent extortions.